Hey guys, Wade here with Diesel Freak, sitting in the shop in the Roxor. Just got this. We've been working with XTC quite a lot. They got a new turn signal lever. So the guys that already have a switch in the dash, you'll get a new hazard switch and a harness, and this is an additional upgrade to your already auto canceling turn signal kit. This does not work on the not auto canceling, it's auto cancel only. Or you can buy it as a complete whole new kit. But the lever and the new harness, it's all plug and play, really quick to switch, because this had the button in it, and I just changed it over in about 10 minutes. And I'll show you here real quick. I can start this while I'm sitting here. There's an indicator that I put in the dash. It's gonna be right over here. Being auto cancel, you bump it, the turn signal goes, it flashes just a few times, and then cancels on its own. I don't know if you guys knew this with the button or with this. You give it about a 1, 2, 3 hold and let go, and it flashes many more times for a longer period of time. I don't remember how many flashes, but it goes for quite a while. Then if you want to cancel it, you hit the button again or just bump the lever. When I say hit the button, if you have the current button switch, that's what you would do. But I just changed this one out. Again, it's for auto canceling only. It can be bought as a whole complete new kit. They work on the 2019 up through 23s. We worked with them. We got the pinouts changed so it works on the LED tail lights. It'll work on 23s all the way down to 2019 on the auto cancel kit only. Being a spring fashion like that, it just won't work with the non-auto cancel. I'm sure there'll be questions, but it won't work with the non-auto cancel. Well, that already canceled and I did it again there. If you want to just shut it off, it's the same indicator light, just flashes to tell you that, hey, you left your turn signal on. It's kind of a nice advantage for cruising on the road. I had my steering wheel turned purposely so you can see it, but it's kind of hidden. I like to just cruise my hand there, my finger. I can bump the switch, no problem. I want to shut it off, bump it again, and so forth. Just another upgraded piece everybody's got to have, right? I know I did. Thanks, guys.